Tannenbaum is shaking his head. I would suggest that means that he's not happy about it. And I will merely say, if Aaron's not happy, then I'm not happy. I stand in full solidarity, unanimity, and whatever other term applies with Aaron. So if he doesn't like it, I don't like it. Tannenbaum, why are you shaking your head like that?
Because you got much better things to worry about than whether or not there's a cameraman 10 feet away. Like, this decision was made back in March when you're one of the greatest quarterbacks in the history of our game, and you go to New York, you're going on Hard Knocks, but worry about Bill Belichick. Worry about the Buffalo Bills. Worry about everybody else. That's what you have to worry about, not whether or not there's a couple extra cameras around. What are you worried about? You guys have a lot to be proud of. You have a chance to have a great season. And this whole notion that they shoved it down our throats, like, do it with honor. Do it with pride. And by the way, the last time the gentleman to your left was on Hard Knocks with me, we got to the championship game, so it's not all bad.
That's exactly right. The last time the Jets were on Hard Knocks was also the last time the Jets made the playoffs. Mike Tannenbaum was the general manager. Damien Woody was one of the stars of the team. What is it like? Is this a problem for the Jets? Is it a distraction?
Absolutely not, man. We really embrace that. Listen, first of all, the crew down at NFL Films, they do a great job of kind of blending in behind the scenes. You know, they just do a great job of that. But other than that, man, we had fun with it. Like, shake weights and all this other stuff that we were doing with Rex Ryan. Obviously, we know the character that Rex Ryan was. Listen, you trade for Aaron Rodgers, you're going to be on Hard Knocks. I don't want to see no damn Washington Commanders or the New Orleans Saints or Chicago Bears. Nobody wants to see that. I want to see the show. I want to see Aaron Rodgers up close and personal, Robert Saleh, all those characters, Sauce Gardner and company. I want to see those guys. So buckle up, get ready.
Yep.
Stop, I can't even say the words, but, stop complaining and let's put on the show.
Yeah, you go to the circus, you're going to be in the big top in New York, right? And in order for the performance to be a success, you got to put your head in the lion's mouth. That's what it's all about. And it's absolutely right. They embrace it. I was there in Cortland, New York. I remember how they embraced those NFL Films crews. And by the way, I've been the host of the NFL Matchup Show for 20 years.
Yeah.
I've worked at NFL Films. Keith Cosrow, Ken Rogers, Ross Ketover, those supremely professional cameramen, they blend in well. They want to be part of the crew. They're not going to embarrass you unless you try to catch a punt like Mike Tannenbaum did.
The legend. Schefter, that's the bottom line of it here, right? Is by coming here, by coming to Broadway and the bright lights of New York and everything, Rodgers, this is exactly what we all anticipated happening, right? And if he's surprised by this, that would surprise me.
Well, again, the Jets fought it all along. They met with NFL Films and told them clear as day, we don't want to do this. And while you're all talking about the last time the Jets did it with Rex Ryan and Mike Tannenbaum, they were along for the ride. This group is not along for the ride. And Hard Knocks will not be the same because they're not going to be given the same access. The Jets don't believe it's humane to show players being released. So it would surprise me if we see them this summer. This is a partnership. This is a relationship. And the Jets are not interested in being partners with NFL Films, no matter what they say. So they're going to go in there because it is, as Aaron Rodgers says, being forced down their throats. But the Jets are not going to provide the level of cooperation that the Lions provided last year or that other teams have provided in other years. And essentially, in the end, because the Jets were unwilling to go along with it and because the Commanders don't have the new owner approved yet and the league couldn't go there, the league wanted to go to the Jets. The Jets didn't want it. That's why they waited until last week because there was no other option. And the league said, essentially, the Jets, you're doing it. And that's the way it's going to go down.
This will be the highest rated Hard Knocks in the history of the series.
Yeah, which isn't their concern.
With the least access.
Yeah, probably will be. And look, I'll say it again. If Aaron is against it, I'm against it. I'm gonna write a series of very sternly worded letters now upon my return to all the people involved in this decision. Tannenbaum, 10 seconds, go.
Yeah. Sal's point's great. Ross Ketover at NFL Films, they want to do a great job. They're going to have Hard Knocks in 2024. They're not going to try to embarrass the Jets. They're going to just shine a light on them. And I think that's an important distinguishment.
Thank you for watching ESPN on YouTube. For live streaming sports and premium content, subscribe to ESPN+.